Today we are see that equivalence fraction. The fractions having the same values are called equivalence fraction. Their numerator and denominator can be different, but they represent the same part of a whole. Okay? For example, now in this picture, the square is two part, one part is colored and it is denoted by 1 by 2. In the fraction form 1 by 2. Again, this picture is the square and 4 equal parts. 2 parts are colored, then it in the form of fraction is 2 by 4. Now this picture is 6 equal parts and 3 parts are colored. It represent in the fraction form is 3 by 6. This is the half of whole, half of the whole and half of the whole. Okay? Here the fractions 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 all have different numerator and denominator, but they all have same values because they represent the same colored area, that is half of the rectangle, so that 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 are equivalent fractions. Okay? We can express it as 1 by 2, 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. Always remember that the equivalence fraction has the same values. Properties of equivalence fraction. Now, first property of equivalence fraction, when we multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number except 0, 0 को छोड़कर, we get an equivalence fraction. Okay? For example, 1 by 4 is equal to 1 into 4 upon 4 into 4. Here we multiply by same number by 4 on numerator and denominator. So that 1 by 4 is equal to 1 into 4 upon 4 into 4. 1 into 4, that is equal to 4, and 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So that 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 16. They are equivalence fraction. Now property number 2. When we divide the numerator and denominator of the fraction by the same number except 0, we get the equivalence fraction. For example, 12 divided by 24. Here numerator is 12, denominator is 24. 12 and 24, they are these two numbers divided by 4. So that 12 divided by 4 upon 24 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4, 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, 3, and 24 divided by 4, 4 6 ja. So that 12 upon 24 is equal to 3 by 4. 12 by 24 and 3 by 6 are equivalence fraction. Okay? For example, write the 3 fractions equivalent to 2 by 5. Now first, 2 by 5 is equal to 2 into 2 upon 5 into 2. Here numerator and denominator by multiply by same number 2, so that 2 by 5 is equal to 2 into 2 upon 5 into 2. This is equal to 4 upon 10. So that 2 by 5 is equal to 4 upon 10 are equivalence relation. equivalence fractions. Now again 2 by 5. We are multiplying and divided by numerator and denominator by the same number. 2 into 3 upon 5 into 3, this is equal to 6 upon 15. So that 2 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 15. Again equivalence fraction. Now 2 by 5 is equal to 2 into 4 upon 5 into 4. This is equal to 8 upon 20. Hence the equivalence fraction of 2 by 5 is 4 by 10, 6 by 15 and 8 by 20. Okay. Now example second. Find the equivalence fraction of 2 by 8 with denominator is 4. Here 2 by 8 numerator is 2 and denominator is 4. Okay. So that 2 and 8 denominator is 4, so that 2 and 8 is divided by 2, so that 2 divided by 2 upon 8 divided by 2, this is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Now find the equivalence relation, equivalence fraction of 3 by 7 with numerator is 6. Okay. Here 3 by 7, numerator is 3 and denominator is 7. Now numerator is 6, then 3 multiplied by 2, then we get 6. So 3 into 2 upon 7 into 2 is equal to 6 upon 14. Okay. Now verification of equivalence fraction. To verify that two fractions are equivalent or not, we are multiply by numerator of the fraction by the denominator of other fraction. Similarly, we are multiply the denominator of the one fraction by numerator of the other fraction. The product so obtained are the same. The fraction are equivalent. Now example 1. Verify that 3 by 6 and 7 by 8 are equivalent or not. So that 3 by 6 into 7 by 8. Here numerator is 3 and denominator is 6. Here numerator is 7, denominator is 8. Now 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 6 into 7, 42. So that 24 does not equal to 42. So that 3 by 6 and 7 by 8 are not a equivalence fraction. Now example 2. Verify that 6 by 12 and 3 by 6 are equivalent or not. 6 by 12 and 3 by 6. 6 into 6, 36. 12 into 3, 36. So that 36 is equal to 36. Okay, 36 is equal to 36. So that 6 by 12 and 3 by 6 are equivalent fraction. Okay, thank you.